Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit chat folder on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Telegram has feature that allows you to organize your chat into a chat folder. If you're like me, someone who mutes most of the notification from messaging app, then there is a change. You might miss an important message. But with folder, you can at glance scroll through the messages from your most important contacts. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create chat folders on Telegram. And in this video, I will show you how to edit it. If you want to edit the chat folder, first, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now we can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. Tap on chat folder. Here's your chat folders on Telegram. You can choose the chat folder that you want to edit. I will choose this one. I want to edit it. Tap on the three dots on the chat folder. Tap on edit folder. Here you can edit the folder. Maybe you want to include chats or remove the chat that included in this folder. You can also edit the exclude chat. And here you can also edit the name of this. I will try to add new include chat, and I will change the name. After you finish edit the chat folder, you can tap on save on the upper right corner here. So the chat folder will be has been edited. It's so simple, right? So that is how to edit chat folder on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.